So here's a video of a couple ice fishing trips I've taken recently. I really haven't caught a ton of fish or taken that video of all my fish. It was really cold and it warmed up for a couple days and now it's going to be really cold again. I've caught a few pike and crappies and perch and bluegills here. So here's my footage. We just caught another fish. Another small bluegill. I don't know why I'm keeping these, but I have been keeping them. And I'm going to make some fried fish. So here's another bluegill. I should probably actually head in, but I'm not looking forward to taking down the shack and walking my stuff in. We just got another bluegill. This one came in hot. Not very big. It's really steamy in here because it's just really cold out. It's probably like 12 below now that the sun's starting to slowly go down, or 15 below. Fish on. Sunfish. It is like 10 below out. We're out ice fishing. I'm only going out for a little while, so I didn't bring my shack. I really should have just stayed home and did stuff, but we really have the itch to go out ice fishing, so we're out ice fishing now. What? Decent perch. I don't even know if I'm still recording. I probably should test. So we're at some pond that it says there's fish in here. I have no clue if there's fish in here. We're gonna fish here for like an hour or two, and if we don't catch anything, we're gonna go to a different spot, although it's still gotta drive a ways to get to a different spot. We're out ice fishing. It is December 31st. It's chilly out. It's like 10 below. We've been out for a little while. I'm really struggling to get the stakes to go on the ground for my shack. And I've caught a perch and a bluegill so far. I'm thinking I need to go to my truck and see if I can find a drill bit so I can get the stakes to go in. Something just bit on the worm. Or the minnow I have out, not the worm. It's taking some line. We better set the hook. God, what is this? It's probably just a perch. Maybe it's something bigger. Maybe it is a pike. What is it? Yeah, it's a little pike. Nice little pike. We just caught another fish. We put down a spike now, another bluegill. We were just pulling in our lines, and for some reason my tip hook didn't sit up. And here's like a 2-foot northern. At least it's a fish. It's a little warmer out today. It's still only like 20 out, but we're supposed to get a little bit of snow. It's supposed to get cold again, so I decided to come out ice fishing after work. We started the day off with this bluegill. I should go get a chair from the back of my truck and start jigging. Fish on. Ooh, that's actually an okay size one. I don't even know if we're still recording. We probably should check. Oh, brochet. Anyways, we got a decent pike.